Hello, my name's Jo and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you. It is called My Treat. I've seen it around on Instagram and Facebook, but I haven't seen much of it on YouTube. So I thought I would get a box and unbox it with you here. They do subscriptions, so 3 monthly, 6 months, etc. But every now and then they do a favorites box, and this is what I have, and they put it up as like a buy now. So the box that I have here is $25, and I think there was a little bit of shipping as well. I can't quite remember, but I will put it somewhere on the screen here. So this hasn't been opened, so I've got my scissors handy. Let's have a look. Okay. The first item I have is a sample sachet. It is from Lemon and Becca. It is a foaming deep cleanser. So that sounds very nice. And just see what it smells like. It smells quite nice. It reminds me of sort of L&P for if you're in New Zealand. You can see that. It's just like a wet consistency. So what I'm going to do, I've just put it on the back of my hand right there. The instructions say to put a small amount in your hands and massage it into your skin in a circular motion. It doesn't say to add water or anything. Now this is meant to be foaming. Oh yeah, it's definitely foaming. I'm excited to try it while I take off my makeup tonight. So the next one I have is the lip balm by Linden Leaves. So this has organic white tea and manuka honeys. So I'm excited to use that actually. Let's try it. I have been looking for a really good lip treatment, so if you know of any that you just absolutely love, let me know. I'm really interested in buying some. Doesn't have much of a scent. It feels, it's sort of like, that was a lot that I had on my hand, but it kind of feels like it's sort of water now, if that makes sense. So I've just blended it on the back of my hand, and even though I can't smell it from the bottle, I can smell it on the back of my hand that it smells quite waxy. I mean, that doesn't bother me. I'm not going to be putting it, snipping my hand all day anyway. But so far so good. It feels very hydrating, very nourishing. Okay, so next item is the foot scrub by Nature. Soothing peppermint and aloe vera. That will be interesting. I definitely want to do a little exfoliant. Oh, it smells good. Shall I shake it? So it's kind of a clear gel, and then it has little beads in them, little green beads. You know the chocolate mint biscuits, and that people also use them as like a favour on a pillow or at Christmas? It kind of smells like those. It's pretty yum. So after I have washed that off, my hand kind of feels not sticky, maybe a little tacky. The next product is Linden Leaves, and it is skincare. It's a clay cleansing mask. Let's have a look. Appreciate the seal. I can't smell anything just yet. It feels nice when it goes on. It's quite creamy. It's got a scent to it. I don't know what it is. It smells natural, but there's also a smell in there that I'm not a fan of, but I think that just might be the white tea and Manuka honey together. Alright, I'm going to let that do its thing. The next one is also by Nature, and it is a Sleep Well Essence Oil Blend. So you put them on your pulse points. It's probably a rollie, and you put it on pretty much where like perfume would go. Oh yeah, so it is a roll on. I'm just meant to put it where your veins are, so your pulse, and you can the Pulse Point Sleep Well essential oil smells herbal, but a nice herbal. You know when you go into just any sort of herbal shop and they have lots of little essential oils, that's kind of what the main scent. I had fun unboxing the My Treat box. If you are wanting to go online and check them out, it is www.mytreat.co.nz, and definitely go for some of their $25 boxes, because I think these products, especially the full size, will probably be worth quite a little bit of money. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.